Hello everyone, and you're watching Cooking with the Word. Today we're going to be making crunch wrap pizzas outside on the grill. Stay tuned because it's going to be so fun. Okay, I hope y'all are ready. This is going to be so fun today. We're going to take just your average large burrito wraps. Nothing different about them. We'll take 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce. I'll take a few slices of pepperoni. Now the reason we are not using too much pepperoni, this pepperoni that we have is really strong. We'll add the pepperoni to the pizza. I have a beautiful assistant here showing me what to do and helping me out. Should we go with 4 or should we go with, voila, 5? Let's go with 5. Now, that's a mighty big mushroom right there. So we're going to put that mushroom here. Add another mushroom and, hey, another mushroom. Now for the fun part. This is the fun part. This is the cheese. The cheese is what makes pizza pizza. Fresh mozzarella. I'll put the mozzarella in. For some reason, it seems like when I make pizza, it kind of gives me the Italian accent. I don't know why. It's really a really bad Italian country West Virginia accent. And we're going to add the, you said it's a Parmesan?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella, that's what I thought. Mozzarella balls. Fresh. Now what do you think, Jess? Maybe some peppers. We love peppers on everything that we make. Yeah, make it the way you want to. This is what we're using for right now. Okay, now what you want to do now is you want to fold it this way. You want to fold it this way. Come over here. Fold it like that. Fold it this way. Get it all folded nice and tight. Roll it over, and that is number 1. Okay, so to keep that in mind, that's number 1. We're going to make about 4. So there's number 1. And we'll be right back. Okay, just in case you missed the first one, we're going to do the last one here. Again, just take your wrap. We're going to take about a tablespoon, maybe just a little more than a tablespoon of pizza sauce. I'm going to take some fresh cheese. We're going to take some pepperoni. Some mushrooms. And again, any topping that you want to add to your taste, the way you like it, then go for it. And make it taste good. Some bell peppers. We don't hardly cook anything about bell peppers. I think someday we'll even bake a cake and put some bell peppers and mushrooms in it. I don't know. Fold that end over. Fold this end over. Kind of pierce your corner a little. Pierce your corner a little. Fold it over. Do the same thing for this one. Fold it over. And this is what we have so far. So we're going to take these out, put them on the grill, and see how this works out. So we'll be right back. So we're going to put down some olive oil. We'll get that coated in. While we want to do this today, we're going to start cooking. Hear that sizzle? That is the sound of success. That's right. We love the sizzle in our grill. Sizzle in the griddle. Just a bit more oil. Olive oil just makes pizza taste better. And now, it's all a matter of just waiting. That looks so good. We'll be right back. While we're letting those cook a little, I'll kind of turn the camera up to the mountain higher here on Muncie Mountain. I noticed some of the leaves are starting to turn. This is Labor Day weekend, and we want to say Happy Labor Day to everyone. May God bless you. We appreciate all the work that's done in this country. This country is a country of hard workers. That's what America's all about. People who aren't afraid to roll up their sleeves and go to work. And we say God bless every one of you. And here on the mountain, it's just such a beautiful place up here, and we're blessed to live in a place like this. We're blessed to live in a country where, as the song says, at least we know we're free. In a place where we have the right and the ability to worship God and to lift Him up the way that we see fit. And worshiping God is about a personal relationship. That's what holiness is all about, having a personal relationship with Jesus Christ ourselves. Where we can go to Him. We don't have to go through a priest or a rabbi. We can go directly to God Himself. And that's such a wonderful thing. Here on the mountain, we appreciate everyone, and let's go check the food. Okay, now let's just take just a little peek here. Ah, look at that. We want to get it good and crunchy. It's looking good. Look at that. And olive oil is going to put just a little crisp on it. Let's hear it. Gonna make it a little crunchy. Gonna give it just a few minutes on that side, and then the best part of all is trying it out. You know, it's all about the taste. It can be as pretty as you want it to be pretty. It can be as great sounding ideas, all this kind of stuff. But if it doesn't taste good, then it's all for nothing whatsoever. You're wasting your time. But I think this is going to be delicious. So just hang on, and we'll be right back. Now, the main important thing about a crunch wrap is the crunch. Hear that? If it's not crunchy, it's not a crunch wrap. It's a soft wrap. This is going to be good. I'm totally confident. Got it going here. Let's just see what that side's looking like. It's looking pretty good. It's a little slick. Yeah, that's looking good. So we're going to go ahead and take these off, take them in the house, and give them a try. Are y'all excited? I mean, I'm really excited. Jessica, are you excited?
Yes, I'm very
Jessica excited. Roxy excited? Roxy's
yes.
excited. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're almost ready to try this, but we're letting them cool off just a little bit. And we just want to say, if you're new to Cooking with the Word, welcome. We appreciate you watching us. We would like you to add us on YouTube, add us on Facebook, share, like, click on our programs, and it would really help us out. We appreciate it from the bottom of the heart. God will bless you, and we pray that God always continue to bless you. So now we're going to try this. We're going to see how good this is. We'll be right back.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with the Word, where we have a delicious concoction that Michael made. I'm about to try it, and I'll let you know if it's any good. These are so delicious. The green pepper in it is just, the bell pepper is just awesome.
So you're saying you like it?
I might save you a bite.
Wow, that looks good. When do I get a turn?
I thought these were mine.
Okay.
I'll share.
Okay. So what do you think?
They're delicious. My mouth is full.
Let's look inside here. Saw that? You got the cheese, you got the sauces, everything, and it's crunchy. Just like we like it. Oh. Whoops, you caught me. Yeah, I had to try a bite. This is so good. It's so simple, so easy to make. It took maybe 20 minutes to do all this, and this is an amazing meal. Make sure you like and follow us, would you? We're just simple people here trying to cook some, wow, amazing food. We came up with this idea today. We went out and bought the stuff to give it a try. But guess what? Next episode, grilled peaches right on the Blackstone grill. We've tried this before and it is absolutely amazing. You better watch out for it. It's coming your way. Thank you for watching Cooking with the Word, and we'll see you next time.